Welcome to our video on real estate investing for beginners, how to get started. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of real estate investing, including what it is, the different types of investment options available, and how to get started. Whether you're a first-time investor or just looking to expand your portfolio, this video will provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions. What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the process of purchasing, managing, and renting out properties for the purpose of generating income. This can include residential properties, commercial properties, and even land. Real estate can be a great investment option because it can generate passive income and provide long-term growth opportunities. Types of real estate investment. There are many different types of real estate investments, including residential properties. These include single-family homes, townhouses, and apartments. Commercial properties. These include office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties. Land. This includes vacant land or land with development potential. REITs, real estate investment trusts, are a way to invest in real estate without owning a property directly. Crowdfunding. This is a way to pool money with other investors to purchase properties. How to get started. Getting started with real estate investing can be daunting, but there are a few steps you can take to make the process easier. Research. Learn as much as you can about different types of real estate investments, the local market, and the best strategies for success. Develop a plan, determine your goals, and create a plan for achieving them. Seek advice. Talk to experienced investors, real estate agents, and financial advisors to get a better understanding of the market and the best investment options for you. Start small. Don't jump in with both feet. Start with a small investment and work your way up. Invest in yourself, take courses, read books, and attend seminars to improve your knowledge and skills. Real estate investing can be a great way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. By understanding the basics of real estate investing, researching the market, and seeking advice from experts, you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching.